Imagine standing on a huge shiny salt flat that becomes the world's largest mirror when it rains. It reflects the sky so perfectly, it feels like you're walking on clouds. Or think about exploring a fiery crater that has been burning for over 50 years. These places aren't made up, they're real. In this video, we'll show you 10 amazing spots on Earth that seem unreal, but are truly incredible. Stay with us to discover their hidden secrets. Number 1. The Wave, Arizona, USA. First up, we have the Wave in Arizona. Imagine walking through a rainbow-colored ocean frozen in time. The Wave is a mesmerizing sandstone formation located in the Paria Canyon Vermilion Cliffs wilderness. The undulating layers of rock create a surreal wave-like appearance, painted with vibrant shades of red, pink, and orange. Did you know this place is so delicate that only 20 people per day are allowed to visit? Preserving its natural beauty. You have to win a lottery to get a permit. Talk about exclusive. Also, the best time to visit is around midday when the sun is high, casting dramatic shadows that enhance the surreal patterns on the rock. Number 2. Mount Roraima, Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Next, let's fly over to South America, where we'll find Mount Roraima. This giant flat-topped mountain, or tepui, rises sharply above the clouds, creating an island in the sky. It's like stepping into a lost world. Mount Roraima inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel, The Lost World. This mountain is home to unique plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. At the summit, you'll find bizarre rock formations, crystal clear pools, and carnivorous plants. It's a real-life botanical paradise. The experience of exploring Mount Roraima is like traveling back in time to an untouched ancient world where nature has remained unchanged for millions of years. The sight of the mountain alone, towering above the surrounding rainforest, is awe-inspiring. The journey to the top is challenging, but the surreal landscape waiting for you is worth every step. This destination is a dream come true for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. Number 3. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Heading south, we arrive at Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat. When it rains, a thin layer of water transforms the salt flat into the world's largest mirror, reflecting the sky perfectly and creating an endless horizon. Salar de Uyuni contains about 10 billion tons of salt, and is also rich in lithium, a key component in batteries for our electronic devices. The best time to visit is during the rainy season, from December to April, when you can experience the stunning mirror effect. Also, don't miss Isla Incahuasi, a cactus-covered island in the middle of the salt flat that adds an unexpected touch of greenery to the vast white expanse. Number 4. The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. Now let's move to something a bit more fiery, the Door to Hell in Turkmenistan. This massive crater has been burning continuously for over 50 years. It's a natural gas field that collapsed into a cavern, which was set on fire to prevent the spread of methane gas. The locals named it the Door to Hell due to its eerie, otherworldly appearance. It's 230 feet wide and 65 feet deep, and the flames can be seen from miles away. Despite its ominous name, the Door to Hell is a popular tourist attraction, especially for those who love a touch of danger in their adventures. Visitors are often mesmerized by the constant burning flames and the unique experience of standing near such an intense and perpetual fire. The sight is both haunting and fascinating, making it a must-see for thrill seekers and those intrigued by natural phenomena. Number 5. The Marble Caves, Chile. Next, we visit the Marble Caves in Chile, located on the remote General Carrera Lake. These stunning caves are carved into solid marble and have been shaped by thousands of years of wave action. The turquoise water reflecting off the walls creates a dazzling effect, making it a breathtaking sight. But do you know, accessible only by boat, the Marble Caves have a mystique and allure that attracts adventurers from around the world. The best time to visit is from September to February, when the water levels are high, enhancing the vibrant blue reflections inside the caves and creating an unforgettable visual experience. Number 6. Antelope Canyon, Arizona, USA. We're back in Arizona to explore Antelope Canyon a slot canyon famous for its wave-like structure and the light beams that shine down into the openings of the canyon, creating a magical, almost spiritual experience. Antelope Canyon is divided into two sections: Upper Antelope Canyon, also known as the Crack, and Lower Antelope Canyon, nicknamed the Corkscrew. Photographers flock here around noon when the sun is directly overhead, creating those iconic light beams that dance through the narrow passages. These light beams make the canyon a favorite spot for stunning photography and an unforgettable visual experience. The sandstone walls, smoothed by years of water erosion, twist and turn in ways that seem almost otherworldly, making every step through the canyon a new and breathtaking discovery. It's a place where nature's artistry is on full display, captivating all who visit. Number 7. Pamukkale, Turkey. Next, let's relax at Pamukkale in Turkey, a natural wonder that looks like a cotton castle. Pamukkale means cotton castle in Turkish, and these terraces of white, mineral-rich thermal waters cascading down the mountainside truly look like a snowy fairyland. The hot springs of Pamukkale have been used as a spa since Roman times, and you can still bathe in the ancient pools today. Visit at sunset for the most breathtaking views when the terraces glow with golden hues, creating a truly magical experience. This combination of history and natural beauty makes Pamukkale a must-see destination. Number 8. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, China. We're heading to China now, to Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. This park is famous for its towering sandstone pillars, which inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. These natural pillars are the results of millions of years of erosion. There's a glass skywalk called the Coiling Dragon Cliff that offers vertigo-inducing views of the landscape below. The best time to visit is during the misty mornings when the pillars appear to float among the clouds, adding to the otherworldly atmosphere. The combination of the ethereal pillars and the thrilling skywalk makes Zhangjiajie National Forest Park an unforgettable destination, blending natural wonder with a touch of adventure. It's a place where reality feels like a scene straight out of a fantasy movie. Number 9. The Northern Lights, various locations. For our penultimate stop, we're chasing the Northern Lights. This natural light display, known as Aurora Borealis, occurs in the polar regions and is caused by the collision of solar wind and magnetospheric charged particles with the atmosphere. The best places to see the Northern Lights include Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Canada, and Alaska. To increase your chances of seeing this phenomenon, visit during the winter months and head to areas with minimal light pollution. Check the aurora forecast for the best viewing times. The swirling colors of green, pink, and purple light up the night sky, creating a magical, almost surreal experience that feels straight out of a dream. Imagine standing in a snow-covered field with the world around you silent and still, while the sky above dances with light. It's a sight that stays with you forever, making you realize just how amazing our planet truly is. Number 10. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Finally, we're ending our journey at Ha Long Bay in Vietnam, known for its emerald waters and thousands of limestone islands topped with rainforests. It's like stepping into a fantasy novel. Ha Long Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature, which makes it even more surprising. To truly experience the magic of Ha Long Bay, explore the area on a traditional junk boat. This way, you can visit the floating fishing villages and get a taste of the local culture. Make sure not to miss the Sung Sot Cave, one of the largest and most impressive caves in the bay. The combination of natural beauty and cultural experiences makes Ha Long Bay a must-visit destination for any traveler. Thanks for joining us. If you loved this journey, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Comment your favorite place below. Until next time, keep exploring.